gonna be making baked salmon. So this is the salmon that I buy in Costco, and this is 6 to 8 ounces salmon. This is 3 pounds of salmon in here. What I do is I cut these bags off, cut them off, put it, and I also cut the salmon, maybe this way and this way, or just this way. Then we're gonna need some mayonnaise. I'm looking and thinking low. Anyway, some mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, and 1 onion. So it's only mainly basically 3 ingredients: salmon, onion, and mayonnaise, and then just salt and pepper. Let's start. Okay, so I already took my salmon out of the bags. I cut them in half. This one piece in half, and then I already put salt and pepper on the other side. Just gonna put some salt and pepper on this side. Don't worry about if you like put, a little bit salt that's like a little bit too much or something, a little bit too much pepper. It's all gonna be covered with mayonnaise, so it's gonna dissolve basically. So it's not that much. I think it's too much. It's not. And I'm just gonna put them in the dish like this, clear dish. I'm missing a couple of bags, or actually 3 bags. My husband took it and did the barbecue salmon. So I'm missing a few, but it's okay. We can still make a recipe out of this one. Basically like this. And then I'm gonna need to fry, and for this much salmon, I'm just gonna use only half an onion, not the whole onion. But if you have more salmon in here, you can even have it like layered, 2 layers or something. Then you would need like 1 onion, 1 fried onion. For this one, I'm only gonna use half. So let me fry the onion, and then we'll put it on top of the salmon. So as you can see, I already cut my half an onion, pre-cut, only half. And I'm gonna be putting it in the fryer pan, and just fry the half an onion. Okay, my onions are golden now. I'm just gonna put my onions and try not to put all this oil in a bowl and mix it with mayonnaise. So I didn't want to put all the oil. Grab one of these and take out all the onions. That's how you leave the oil in the pan. Sorry for the scratching noise. So as you can see, not as much oil when I put it in the bowl. I'm just gonna use a big spoon like this and grab 1, 2, about 3 spoons of mayonnaise and mix it all. So I have 3.5 spoons of mayonnaise mixed with my onions, the fried onion. And I'm gonna put it on top of the salmon. If you have more salmon, you would need more mayonnaise basically. And this salmon I'm gonna put in the oven for 380 degrees for half an hour. Just spread it evenly everywhere basically. And you're done. Just gonna cover it with foil and put it in the oven at 380 degrees for half an hour. Half an hour. Let's see how our salmon looks like. Mmm, looks good. And it smells good too. Look at that. So I'm just gonna take off the foil and put it for 5 minutes on broil. That's it. Salmon.
Yummy,
Baked
yummy.
salmon with 3 ingredients. The salmon is done. Thank you guys for watching. This is a very easy and delicious video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and come and watch it again for more videos. Subscribe. Actually, I forgot to show you guys. I wanted to take it out and show you. So this is how it looks. Delicious looking salmon. Ariana, you want to try it?
Yeah, sure.
Be my taster.
Looks really good.
Remember, it's really hot, so just the little piece.
The middle looks really good. That's so good.
So good. I know. Easy, delicious. And like I said, if you guys want to put more salmon in here, like 2 layers, that's fine. You just need it for, gonna put it in the oven for 380 degrees in 45 minutes instead of like me, I only did it half an hour and then.
And don't you need more mayonnaise?
Huh?
And don't you need more mayonnaise?
Yeah, more mayonnaise and more, like maybe 1 onion.
So good.
Just a little bit more
So good, I can
stuff
stop
if you're
eating.
putting more salmon in this kind of dish, clear dish. So good, delicious. You like it?
I love it.
Okay. Easy New Year's recipe.